The terminal is a wire coil with a spike that is pressed through the ignition wire insulation and into the stranded wire. Over time, the coil can loosen up, causing it to come free from the spark plug. Replacing the spark plug terminal is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the engine cover. Now I can remove the spark plug cap from the wire. With the cap removed, now I can remove the terminal. Now I'll install the new terminal. Now I'll reinstall the spark plug cap. I like to apply a little silicone spray to the cap. It'll make it easier to slide the cap over the terminal and onto the wire. I'll spray the silicone into the cap. Don't apply too much or it can make the rubber mushy. I'll dump out the excess and slide the cap over the terminal and onto the wire. And I'll finish by reinstalling the engine cover. And that's how easy it is to replace the spark plug cap terminal on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.